Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was in the middle of making a marshmallow slime for one of my videos, but we had a problem. It was too plain. So today I am going to be adding too much slime ingredients into a marshmallow slime. So if you guys don't know, marshmallow slime consists of mainly only shaving cream and a little activator, and it comes into this marshmallow kind of form, which is super satisfying but a little sticky sometimes. This is it. Still trying to get this little bit off my bucket. So let's get this all cleaned. So this is pretty much it. It's a little sticky to my hands, but it feels like a marshmallow. So I thought, since mainly people do adding too much into slime, just regular slime, I thought to add too much slime into a specific kind, and I'm going to do episodes of this one, so tune in. So I am going to be adding too much of whatever into full sections of the slime. So I gotta cut the slime into full sections. So cut this one, and half of that. And I think this is pretty much even. So we're gonna put these three all separate. And we are going to work on the first one. So the first one is going to be these cute little nail polishes. Okay, so I like these two the most, so first I'm going to add this one. I like the glass into it. It's very pretty. So, usually people just write something. It's very white. So let's keep going. I can't really write into this one, but okay, then we mix it in. This one really didn't change a lot. This has a lot of stuff on my hands. I wish I could get it off real quick. Anyway, this is like really a light color. It's not even colored fully. So, oh, oopsies. Let's pour a lot in and see how it goes. Just not really pouring in. There we go. So this is some more nail polish coming in, and it's really coming in really light and changing a lot of the slime texture. But I'm going to add some more. Try to get this color a little bit more brighter, but it's like really hard. I can't really get anything going on. So there's a bunch more. So this is really activating it a little bit, not a lot, but really just trying to add a lot, but it won't glop out, so I'm really just trying to so that's a lot. I mean, that's really a lot of nail polish, so you can see it's really changing texture and getting a little sticky. So I wouldn't consider this a marshmallow slime anymore. I'd consider it a light fluffy slime. So since I added a lot of this one, I'm going to add the rest of the edges. Okay. And it's like really sticky on my hands. I mean, it's really, really sticky. So then we add a bunch of this. Hopefully it doesn't ruin the color. Okay. This I think will be enough, because I mean it's really sticky on my hands and I'm really disliking this slime. And I will be adding all of this slimes in together and see the results. If it's a really nice slime or okay, so this is the slime. It's really sticky, and I don't know if you can see it, but really sticky. But next slime, and we'll take these nail polishes out. now it's this one. So I bought this one really cheap at this, and I'm going to add a gloss real quick. It's really hardening the slime. I mean, it's really hardening it. I will not lie, this is not the stretchiest slime right now. Okay, now let's add another glop. This is a bigger one, so let's see what this will do. Like really tightening it, and it is a tightener, yeah, forming. Then you can feel like knots in it. I like this face mask because, like, if I glop it, you can see the pretty jewels and stuff. As you can tell, it's really unactivating the slime, but the toning is really pretty cool. It smells really good though. This is actually toning really good now. After I added a decent amount, and I love the stars in the slime. As you can see, it's right now. I really do like the face mask though, because I mean, if I zoom in, you can see the really pretty stars and stuff. And it's toning really pretty and really soft. It's not underactivated or overactivated. It actually softened it a little bit. So I mean, if you have a marshmallow slime that's a little like tightened, add this face mask. It's really nice. This is a really good face mask, so Okay, I added a bunch more. I mean, that's kind of like a whole face use, kind of like, that's already a use right there. Now it's really getting underactivated and really sticky. As you can tell, it's really... Look at that. So yeah, I consider this one like really super unactivated and such. So that was a big giant fail. I hated this slime right after everything. It was like really snapping. I can barely pick it up and have it running in. Okay. Next slime has a little bit of that purple, but it's fine. The next adding a lot into is beads, and I'm actually not going to do the beads. I'm just going to do these beads. So let's add a bunch in. So this is a bunch. Oh no, they're falling. Oh no. Oh, it's falling a lot, but hopefully they pick them all up. Oh no. Okay. They're all falling and making a mess. Oh no. So yeah, they're really falling out like crazily. If you look, just stretch it and they're falling out. The very last slime is going to be these cute Dinolots. I bought them for $12.99. They came with 5, I believe. Yeah, 5. And I'm going to use the yellow. No, I'm going to use the orange one. It's really pretty. And hopefully these color a lot. Because like once you like dot it, it should dry out and stuff. But that should be good right now. Hopefully it covers the slime. It's really not coloring out of that bright of orange. It kind of takes out my plan. So I'm actually going to leave a dot on the table. I do a few dots. So this is to just put it on the dot and let it dry out, I believe. How do you do? So. I think this one's kind of like the nail polish though, so. And as you can tell, it's already changing. But before we continue, I gotta tell you about my giveaway. My giveaway is for Slime for a Year. It's gonna be a month. Every month, it's gonna be like you're buying one slime, and I give you a couple extras. And to win this, it's gonna end at 1,000 subscribers, and you have to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. If you would like, you can also follow my Instagram and my Twitter down below in the description box. So this is kind of like a peachy slime, and it's like really weird texture. I think I added a little too much, but the goal is to add too much, so let's write this something. Okay, now it's time to mix all of these slimes. This is actually really pretty slime. I really love how it turned out. It looks like a princess and like slime. I would actually probably buy this slime if I'd seen it because it looks super pretty and super satisfying.